Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a recent haul that I picked up for my son Holden. He is 4 years old, but he is quite a big boy for his age. So I actually have been shopping in the boys section for him, and he's taking about a size medium, which is like a size 7 or 8. He's very tall for his age. He's just a big kid for his age. So I've got a ton of stuff here. I picked up this whole bag full, and the store that we went to is called Value Village, which is a secondhand store in Canada. I don't think that they have it in the States. I might be wrong, but I don't think they have it in the States. But I like to go there for pretty much all of Holden's clothes. Pretty much the only places I buy Holden's clothes are at Value Village and at Walmart, because I am cheap and they grow out of it way too fast, and you can get some really cute options for very, very cheap. One of my favorite things about shopping secondhand is that lots of times you'll end up getting things that still have the tags attached, even that have never been worn, for literally like a fraction of the price. It's insane. They were having a 20% off sale when I went. So these items, I'm going to tell you what their prices are, and then they were an additional 20% off of that as well. So really, really, really good deal. I think I ended up spending $60, and I got a ton of stuff. 60 Canadian dollars. For those of you that don't know, I am from Canada. So yeah, but without further ado, let's just get on into it and see what I picked up. So I bought these a little bit bigger as well, so that he can have some stuff for the future, like some stuff that I saw. If it was a really good deal, I picked it up, even if it was going to be, you know, it'll fit him next year or whatever, because I do like to have like a little backup stash of clothes in his closet for like the next size. And as of right now, he's out of all of that. So it was a really good time to stock up. So I got this sweater. This is originally from the Children's Place, and it is a size large, so it's size 10-12, and it is really, really nice zip up sweater. It looks like it's brand new, and it's just like that heather dark gray, and then the inside is this really warm, like kind of woolly material. It's from the Children's Place, and it's very warm and very thick, and it was $7.99, and then of course I got an additional 20% off of that. So just this really nice hoodie, and it'll be really nice for when it starts to get cold, of course. He might not wear this year, but next year for sure. Then following that, I got this really nice spring or fall jacket. It's the brand MEC. It's a size 12, and it was $7.99. Once again, very, very nice. Just like a spring jacket. It's got a light lining, really soft on the inside, and it's a dark gray as well. I'm just trying to make sure I can actually show you guys. And it's got a hood on it as well. The outside is like a protective sort of fabric. I think it will definitely repel water. It probably won't be fully waterproof, but you know, like on a damp day or whatever, it will be just fine. And let's just count here really quickly what I got. I got 1, 2, 3 t-shirts, 1 pair of pajamas, 3 pairs of jeans, and 1, 2, 3, 4 sweaters, and 1 jacket for $60. That is absolutely insane to me. I cannot believe what a great deal that is. So yeah, once again, if you are not thrift shopping for your kids, you need to make sure and get started, because kids grow out of things so fast. You might as well just save yourself some money, and especially when they're young and they don't have like the preferences for specific brands yet or anything like that, and kids don't really care what each other is wearing yet. I highly recommend doing that. I've done that ever since Holden, my 4-year-old, was born. And I'll continue to do it until he basically tells me, you know how kids get after a while. Once they get older, they start liking a certain thing, or, you know, get made fun of and stuff. So I'm always going to, you know, once he says, I don't want this anymore, or I don't like that, then I'll definitely listen to that. But while you can, why not? Why wouldn't you save the money when you can? Anyways, you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see more hauls like this from me, and I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.